exercise. I love it.
Yeah.
Well, if you do walk the dog, do it this morning, because this afternoon, of course, it's going to get hot. Too hot for you and too hot for the dog. I can guarantee you that. Temperatures right now are at 79. Winds are out of the south right now at 6 miles an hour, and we have clear conditions this morning. Some of us are in the 60s like Bartlesville, but most of us waking up in the 70s this morning. It's almost 80 here in Tulsa. It's right at that 70-degree mark in Tahlequah, so definitely a bit cooler. And then you have those low 70s there, Okmulgee, Muskogee, Chandler sitting right around about 73 degrees this morning. So outside again, as you take a look at that weather pattern that we're under, we have that ridge of high pressure across the area, which of course keeps us hot and keeps us dry. And so we're going to see those temperatures spike back up close to triple digits over the next 2 days ahead. We'll get a front that'll move through as we head into Friday and the weekend, but until then, we'll have to deal with those very hot conditions and those heat index values getting up into the triple digits, which means heat advisory goes into effect today and it'll continue through Wednesday, as we'll continue to see those heat index values anywhere from about 105 to 110 degrees. Again, that's what it feels like. Air temperature-wise, as we head through the morning and into the afternoon, we're going to be looking for those temps to top off closer to about 98 later today. Your future tracks is keeping us quiet and dry out there too. That's another reason for being under that high pressure. We'll look for mostly sunny skies. But again, your highs today should get up to about 98 in Tulsa. Most of us anywhere from the mid to upper 90s. It looks like we'll see about 95 Pryor, Tahlequah, Grove, your high today closer to about 96. So again, this morning, get out if you can, because it's going to get a little toasty already by our midday hour. Right around 9 a.m. we'll be closer to about 82 or so, but midday then we're already up to 92 degrees. Again, the heat advisory goes into effect at noon and will continue through Wednesday night. Today and tomorrow, upper 90s to low 100s. And then Thursday, that front moves through and increases our chance for showers and storms Thursday afternoon into Friday morning.